Hello and welcome back to the kitchen. Today I'm showing you how I make my world famous chili recipe. Okay, maybe it's not famous yet, but you'll see why it is so delicious. Full list of the ingredients in the description below. We're going to start by making our homemade chili seasoning, and this is the key to an amazing chili. You don't buy the store-bought stuff, you whip up your own and it's going to be absolutely phenomenal. Little cayenne pepper for some heat on the end, stir it up. Set aside. Open up those cans and we're going to rinse and drain the kidney beans, but not the chili beans. We want the chili sauce on there. Give them a good rinse and everything is going to go into a large crock pot. Bunch of tomato sauce in with our chili seasoning and about a half can of water for now. Give it a good stir. Special shout out to my wife. Those are her hands. She's helping me out today with this recipe and some of the filming. Crockpot on high. Let's work on our ground beef. About medium-high heat. Tossing in some olive oil, sweating some yellow onion. That's half a yellow onion. Then we're going to add 2 pounds of ground beef. You're going to cook this until it is nice and brown throughout. Drain it in the sink, and I do like to rinse off my ground beef to get that extra fat off of there. Into the crock pot, and time for the secret ingredient. That is 2 packages of Little Smokies. A little more water to get the consistency right, and we're just gonna let that cook. Time to get our toppings ready. I like fresh white onions, tomatoes, cheddar cheese. I mean, you can use so many things as a chili topping, so really whatever you want. Absolutely cannot forget the sour cream, which you'll see here in just a second. I'm putting these all in containers that I can stick in my fridge and just have ready to pull out when the chili's done. Also makes cleanup nice and easy. Woohoo, Fritos. Yes, Fritos. In the fridge, we're gonna let that chili cook. Last step, we're gonna boil some water and we're throwing in spaghetti noodles. Cook as per usual, and you're ready to plate everything up. Total cook time on this chili was about 4.5 hours at high. If you do it on low, you could probably cook it for 6 to 8 hours to get some extra flavor. On with the toppings, crumbled up Fritos on top, and we are good to go with this delicious, ridiculously delicious chili that your guests and family will absolutely love. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe.